This is Geometry, Chapter 0, Section 2, in which we will be converting units between the two systems. Remember last time we talked about the two different systems, metric system and customary, and we converted units within the system. We went from feet to inches, or liters to milliliters, or things of that sort. We stayed within one or the other. This time we're going to be going between the two systems. We're going to turn feet into centimeters or some such. So to be able to do this, we're going to need a whole fistful of new conversion factors. And I'm not going to read them all to you. You've got them on your note sheet there. You've got them on the screen. But you have three main sections. You have a length section. And typically the left column is if you have a customary unit and you're going to a metric unit. The right hand column I put if you have a metric unit and you're trying to go to a customary. You have 6 factors for lengths. You have 4 factors involving capacity. And you have 4 factors involving weights. And this little squiggly symbol means it's approximately equal. It doesn't mean it's exact, but it's close. Just close enough to make it where you can do the work. And just like last time, I'm going to ask you to refer to this list. You've got it on your note sheet. And I'm not going to keep toggling back over to this page when we're doing the problems here. So let's do a couple of these. I've been given 30 inches, and they want to know roughly how many centimeters that is. 30 inches, we need an inch to centimeter conversion. And we know from the previous page that 1 inch is roughly 2.5 centimeters. And again, like we did last time, the inch goes on bottom so that the inches cancel the inches. And now we're down to simple arithmetic. 30 times 2.5, grab your trusty calculator, 75 centimeters. Okay. Suppose they gave me 2,500 yards and asked me to turn that into kilometers. Well, I don't have a yard to kilometer conversion on there, so I'm going to have to do a little lifting here. I do have a yards to meters conversion. We know 1 yard is roughly equal to 0.9 meters. Yard cancels yards. Now I've got a number of meters. And we looked at last time how to go from meters to kilometers. 1 kilometer is the same as 1,000 meters. So now the meter will cancel the meter and I'll have kilometers left. So now it's just time to grab the calculator again. 2,500 times 0.9 divided by 1,000. And we find out that 2,500 yards is roughly equal to 2.25 kilometers. So really not that hard, just you have to use different numbers. I'm going to ask you to pause the video here, just like we did last time, and give this one a whirl. I'm going to give you 10 liters, and I want to know how many gallons that is approximately. So pause the video, work the problem, come back, check your answer. Okay. 10 liters to gallons. We don't have a direct conversion between liters and gallons, but we know that 1 liter is about 1.1 quarts. Liter cancels liter. And then from last time, we know that 1 gallon is equal to 4 quarts. Quart cancels quart. So I've got 10 times 1.1, and then divided by 4, gives me 2.75 gallons, roughly. Again, not exactly, but close. So if you mastered it last time, you should be in good shape for this one. It's just using different values to convert from. Hopefully, as always, if you had questions, I hope you wrote those down along the way on your note sheet. Bring those in, and we will see you in class.